In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase email hosting via Wix or connect an external email provider. This guide will help you set up a professional email address that uses your domain name, adding a touch of authenticity and professionalism to your communication. Let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll want to navigate to the Wix dashboard and locate Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on Email and Office. Think of this as the home base for managing all aspects related to the email service linked with your domain. Here's where the magic happens. Once you're in the Email and Office section, you have the option to either purchase a new email hosting plan directly through Wix or connect an external email provider if you already have an email service that you prefer. If you choose to go through Wix, the platform offers seamless integration with familiar providers like G Suite or Office 365. Choose the option that best fits your needs and budget. By using your domain, it aligns your brand identity across all communications. Next, it's time to set up your professional email address using your domain. This step is particularly exciting as it solidifies your online presence. If you're purchasing through Wix, follow the straightforward instructions provided to establish your new email address. You'll be prompted to customize your email address, often in the format of yourname@yourdomain.com. Make sure to choose something that best represents you or your business professionally. On the other hand, if you opt to connect an external email provider, you will need to configure your domain's MX records. MX, or mail exchange records, are crucial as they direct email messages to the correct mail server. This part might sound technical, but don't worry, it's usually quite simple. Your external provider will furnish you with the specific MX records needed. Within the Wix dashboard, you'll input these details, ensuring that your domain knows where to send incoming mail. Finally, once everything is set up, you can access your email through Wix's webmail interface or your preferred email client. Wix's webmail option provides a convenient browser-based access point similar to other online email services. If you prefer using an email client, such as Outlook or Apple Mail, Wix supports integration with most of these, offering you the flexibility to manage your communications effectively and efficiently. Remember, establishing a professional email doesn't just enhance your credibility, it also provides a cohesive experience for your clients and colleagues. It's really one of those investments in your business that pays off by showcasing your professionalism in every